On our comment section, a lot of persons have been commenting questions like, how can we identify a male and a female catfish? And I believe this question is coming from newcomers that are really interested in hatching, because they know that for you to hatch, you need a male and a female catfish, which we term broodstock, right? So a lot of persons have been asking, so how can we identify a male and a female catfish? And that is what we are here to show you today, how to identify a male and a female catfish. If you're seeing two of them, how can you easily identify them? Because if, let's say, you're going to buy parent stock for your hatching and you're going to get a male, you don't mistakenly get female, or you're going to get female, you don't mistakenly get male. You need to get the specific gender you want, depending on what exactly you'll be needing it for, right? So I'll be showing you right now some fish in my farm here, how to identify which one is a male and which one is a female. Okay, here in this rubber I have 3 fish here, so we're going to be checking which one is exactly male or female in this fish right now. I'll be showing you how to check it. For instance, let me pick up this one. So basically what you check to identify male or female is the genital part, right? You check the genital part. You can see for this one, the genital organ is elongated. Can you see that? Can you see that it is long, right? It is elongated. This shows that this is a male, right? I think it applies to human. This is actually a male catfish because of the genital organ. It is long, it is elongated, right? And it usually has one opening. You can see just one opening here for where they excrete from. You can see the opening. So it has one opening basically. That is that about the male catfish. Now let me check the rest to know which gender they are. You can see how stubborn they can be. You need to be careful because the fin can actually wound you. So you need to be careful while you're doing this thing, right? Sometimes when you try to pick them up in force, they try to struggle with you. But when you do it lightly, just gently, they remain with you as well. So you can just take it gently, but if you need to force it, make sure you're pinning this particular fin down and your head holding the head firmly, and they will remain. Or you can do it gently and just turn it to see whatever you want. So you can see this particular one. Here is the genital part. Can you see that it is round, right? It is round in shape. It is not pointed. It is not long. It is round. This shows that this is a female catfish. This is a female catfish by the genital organ, and it has 2 openings actually. One is where it takes the eggs out from, and the second is where it does excrete from. 2 genital parts. One is down, one is middle here, down here and middle here. So that is for the female. The female has a round genital part. So you can bring it closer. It has a round genital part. You can see that. Unlike the male has a pointed genital part. So in this way, you will be able to easily identify a male and a female catfish. For whatever reason, if at all you need to identify male and female catfish. For those of you asking that question in my comment section, this video is specifically for you, how to identify a male and a female catfish. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe, like and share this particular video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that when we post educational content like this, you can get notified. Thank you.